Look at it working. So I had my Hermes agent tell my Spawn agent to open this terminal. It pasted this prompt, and it's working on something for me right now without me having to go in here and do it. Now, every session that we run is training my local Hermes Claude agent, which is locally ran, and is teaching it everything that every session is doing. So eventually it'll be as smart or close to as smart as Claude Code after time goes on and it's seeing it work. So I'm real excited about this. I got this buzz set up last night. Let me see if I can move this over. And this is the session here where Hermes is actually telling Spawner what to do. And I'm looking over here. What's going on? What is it doing? It's still figuring out how to work this. Let me try to help it out some. I may have messed it up. I don't know. It's figuring it out. It's going to figure it out. So we're going to let it run.